Hey guys, Cole with Buell Motorcycles here. Today, we're gonna go over features, specs, and everything you need to know about the highly anticipated Buell Super Cruiser. Let's talk about the design on this motorcycle. Styled to be the truest performance cruiser on the market. The philosophy behind it, fast, nimble, and no need to reinvent the wheel when it comes to customization. Now let's dive into the performance specs. Powered by the Buell ETV2 72-degree 1190cc engine, we're making 175 horsepower and 94 foot-pounds of torque. With a weight of 485 pounds, it has the best-in-class power-to-weight ratio for any cruiser on the market. At 175 horsepower, you need the brakes and the suspension to back it up. When it comes to suspension, we've got Fox all around. Fox front suspension, Fox rear suspension, and a Fox steering stabilizer to top it all off. Fully adjustable on every single one of those shocks. Backed up by dual disc Brembo brakes. To finish off this performance machine, we've got a stock saddleman seat with a 32-inch seat height, 4-gallon fuel tank, and a Memphis shades fairing, chain drive and Dunlop tires, and in true performance fashion, we have an underslung exhaust and 17-inch wheels front and back to get you 50 degrees of leaning so you can own those corners. Being American built is at our core here at Buell. From our engines to our chassis, everything is hand assembled right here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. We've built the Super Cruiser to be the ultimate connection between the rider and the ride. For model year 26, your options are going to be black and extended warranty. For anything else, keep an eye on the ever-growing aftermarket.
Boy, and that'll do 183 miles per hour, 9-second quarter mile. It'll rock your house off the foundation.
Super responsive, lean angle was great. Power delivery is awesome.
Wow, holy shit, this bike is crazy. This bike is a wolf in sheep's clothing, guys.
Man, it's a cool bike. It's fast as hell and stops amazing. I did see 150 miles an hour on the back straightaway on my second lap, so really comfortable and really easy to ride. Who knows where the limits are of this thing.
It was amazing in a straight line. It felt like it was just a bullet, a rocket ship. I mean, got 147 on that. And I still had plenty of track to do. I didn't realize how well it was going to do on the brakes. When I hit the brakes, it stopped. The maneuverability, the agility to get around the curves, it's amazing.
Took it for a spin today, and it's fast. It's really fast. It'll do second gear wheelies off the throttle, no clutch. This is not an FXR. This is way faster than an FXR.
To learn more or to own one of these beautiful machines, visit us at buellmotorcycle.com. And if you already own one, thank you. Take a look at our website to find the closest service center near you. Our network is expanding every day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the road.